Charité Universitätsmedizin in Berlin, my honest review and user experience of Germany's top hospital. When it comes to world-class healthcare, Charité in Berlin often tops the list. It's one of Europe's oldest and most respected hospitals. But what's it really like to be a patient there? After my personal experience, here's my honest review. Most people get this wrong. They assume big university hospitals are cold or impersonal. But the surprising truth about Charité is how professional, organised and compassionate the staff are, even in such a large institution. From the moment I checked in, the process was smooth. Registration was multilingual and staff guided me clearly through each step. The hospital is huge, spread across several campuses, yet everything ran efficiently. My doctors were experts in their fields, explaining each treatment in detail and involving me in decisions. What stood out most was the emphasis on both science and humanity. Every procedure felt carefully tailored to my case. Charité is also a leader in research and innovation. It's connected with Humboldt University and the Free University of Berlin, meaning patients often benefit from cutting-edge treatments and technology. Facilities were modern and spotless. Rooms were comfortable, with excellent hygiene and attentive nurses. Even the food was better than expected, fresh, balanced and thoughtfully prepared. The only downside is waiting times for non-emergency cases. Because it's such a popular hospital, appointments can take weeks to schedule. But once you're in, the quality of care makes it worth the wait. In conclusion, Charité truly lives up to its reputation as one of Europe's best hospitals. Whether you're a local or international patient, you can expect outstanding medical expertise, compassion and world-class treatment.